Today we will discuss about Internet of Things, that is commonly known as IoT. The contents of today's discussion is: first, what is Internet of Things? Second, application of IoT. Third one is challenges and limitations of IoT, and the last one is the future of IoT. First, we will discuss what is Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. The definition of IoT has evolved due to the convergence of multiple technologies, real-time analytics, machine learning, commodity sensors, and embedded systems. Traditional fields of embedded systems, wireless sensor networks, control systems, automation, and other all contribute to enabling the Internet of Things. In the consumer market, IoT technology is most synonymous with products pertaining to the concept of smart home, including devices and applications such as lighting, fixture, thermostat, home security system, and cameras that support one or more common ecosystems and can be controlled via devices associated with that ecosystem, such as smartphone and smart speakers. The next one is application of IoT. The IoT has the capability to connect everybody, everyday objects. It has introduced several applications and smart services which have affected users' daily life, like healthcare, smart city, smart home, connected industry, smart real retail, connected car, smart parking, smart energy, and smart grid, and smart agriculture also. There are some challenges and limitations of IoT also. There may be many challenges that stand in the way of successful development of IoT applications. These challenges include big data, networking, heterogeneity, interoperability, scalability, security and privacy, and the maintenance. Lastly, we will discuss about the future of IoT. The IoT is considered as the next stage towards the evolution of the Internet. It has the capability to connect and communicate almost all real-world objects over the Internet to increase information sharing. With the help of the sensor, the IoT has the ability to collect, analyze, and deploy a huge amount of data, which in turn will be converted into meaningful information and knowledge that can be used to create new applications and services that can improve our quality of life.